Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of unexpected foods that can supercharge your workouts. You might be surprised to learn that certain foods can enhance your performance and recovery. In this video, we'll explore how these unique edibles can optimize your nutrition and fitness routines. By incorporating these surprising choices into your diet, you can elevate your energy levels and improve your overall workout experience. Part 1. Beets. Beets are a powerhouse for enhancing athletic performance and endurance, thanks to their high nitrate content. Nitrates convert to nitric oxide in the body, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Studies have shown that athletes who consume beets experience increased stamina and reduced fatigue during intense workouts. For a delicious way to incorporate beets into your diet, try adding roasted beets to salads, blending them into smoothies, or enjoying beet juice before your training sessions. These vibrant veggies can truly elevate your performance. Part 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice for post-workout recovery, packed with protein that supports muscle repair and growth. The high protein content helps rebuild tissues after intense exercise, ensuring you bounce back stronger. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which promote gut health and enhance digestion, contributing to overall wellness. To enjoy this nutritious food, try mixing it with fresh fruits and nuts for a delicious snack, or use it as a base for smoothies and salad dressings. Greek yogurt is a versatile powerhouse for your recovery routine. Part 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is an exceptional food for athletes, known as a complete protein source that contains all 9 essential amino acids. This unique amino acid profile supports muscle repair and provides sustained energy for workouts. Quinoa's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various meals. You can enjoy it as a base for salads, stir-fries, or even breakfast bowls. For balanced nutrition, pair quinoa with vegetables, lean proteins, or healthy fats like avocado. This nutrient-dense grain not only fuels your body, but also enhances your overall recovery process. Part 4. Almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, providing sustained energy that fuels your workouts. These monounsaturated fats help maintain energy levels during exercise, allowing for better performance. Additionally, almonds are rich in magnesium, which plays a crucial role in muscle function and recovery. To enjoy almonds effectively, stick to a portion size of about a handful, or roughly 23 almonds, to keep your energy balanced. You can snack on them raw, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them on salads for a nutritious boost. Part 5. Spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of iron, an essential mineral that supports oxygen transport in the body, crucial for endurance during workouts. Adequate iron levels help maintain energy and stamina, allowing you to push through challenging exercises. The versatility of spinach makes it easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add it to smoothies, salads, omelets, or even pasta dishes. Consider spinach as a pre-workout food to boost your energy levels and enhance performance. With its nutrient density, spinach is a smart choice for any fitness enthusiast. Part 6. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy levels that are essential for workouts. Unlike simple carbs, complex carbohydrates release energy slowly, helping you maintain endurance throughout your exercise routine. There are many delicious ways to prepare sweet potatoes. You can bake, mash, or roast them, and they make a great addition to salads or grain bowls. Additionally, sweet potatoes are perfect for post-workout recovery meals, replenishing glycogen stores and aiding in muscle recovery. Enjoy this nutritious food to fuel your fitness journey. Part 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat but also a powerful ally for recovery and mood enhancement after workouts. Packed with antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting faster recovery. Additionally, indulging in dark chocolate can provide a psychological boost, releasing endorphins that elevate your mood. To enjoy its benefits, moderation is key. Aim for a small piece of high-quality dark chocolate. You can incorporate it into your diet by adding it to smoothies, oatmeal, or enjoying it as a post-workout snack. Treat yourself while supporting your fitness goals. In conclusion, we explored some unexpected foods that can significantly boost your workout performance. Each of these foods offers unique nutritional benefits that can enhance your energy, recovery, and overall fitness routine. Remember, optimizing your nutrition is just as important as your training. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who are also looking to elevate their fitness journey. Thank you for watching and see you next time.